Paths wind onward, unknown, unseen, between the shadows and the sheen. Moments of joy, moments of pain, sunlight and storm, sunshine and rain. Time flows gently, a river so wide. We sail its currents, nowhere to hide. No one can know the secrets it keeps. It whispers in silence while the world sleeps. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is part of the dream that life will make. Tread with wonder, walk with care. Life is a riddle floating in the air. From mist we come, into mist we go, and in between we learn, we grow. Stars shine above, the night spreads deep. Mountains and rivers their vigil keep. In the quiet